Hola, buenos días. Es martes, el primero de septiembre 2020. Here's our second video for today. It's the first day of September. Primer día, first day de septiembre 2020. Okay, so what we need to do is log in to Voces. And while you're doing this, I want to remind you I did post something this morning a little bit earlier so that you could review our Google Meet from last week, our class meet, and the Monday feedback form on a Tuesday. Yeah, thank you. If you can get that done today, that would be awesome. I know some have really taken a while because I put on there that there is an ungraded assignment, but it is really something I need. And if you can get it to me today, that would be great. It is not for points, it is for helpful feedback and continuing with some good things that I hope we're doing to help you successful. And here we are. So today we're working on numbers a little bit more. So repitan, por favor. Uno, dos, tres. What comes next? Cuatro. Repitan. Cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Have you mastered those? 1 through 10? How about the word zero? Cero. Muy bien, muy bien. So those are the first 10, plus the word zero, the number zero. So that's 11. Then we have the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, those five. And those are the next ones to work on mastering. And then we have 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8, 18. 10 and 9, 19. And then 20. Not Ben, not like the guy's name, but Bane, like the vein, like a vein in your arm or something. 20. 20. Not Ben, not Bente. 20. 20. It is with a V, but it's pronounced like a B. So 20. 21, 22, 23, so it's 20 and 1. 21, 22. And when you say it fast, it's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Are you keeping up? Did I have to say repite? Okay, repite. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Woo woo, 30. 30. Not trend. Train, like a choo-choo train. 30. Woo-woo, 30. 30, right? 31, speed it up. 31. 31. 31. Yesterday was the 31st. So el 31 de agosto. Today is the first. And when we say the first, we actually do the ordinal number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? But in Spanish, it's el primero de septiembre. So repitan, por favor. El primero de septiembre 2020. Want to go through that each day with you so you can get into a good habit, because we do that every day in class when we're in the classroom. Also looking at the time, casi son las 9. No, not really. It's not exactly almost 9. It's more like 8:35. And you can see on my screen here, 8:35. So son las 8. Repitan, son las 8:35 de la mañana. So we wanted to get into some real good habits of now speaking more Spanish, having higher accountability, and I'm going to put up my guideline sheet to you this week so you can be familiar with what the expectations are, especially when it comes to late work. Some of you are still turning in late work from the first couple of days. Not going to be accepted after Friday. In general, homework is going to be due, and when it's due, the next day you can get half credit, and after that, no credit. So time to start stepping up the game, and I'll remind you in our meet on Friday when we'll also do another activity and something you'll be familiar with, and you'll find out that day. Okay, so here we are with los números. Take a look. I'll get my face out of this picture so you can focus on los números again. And how do you find it? Well, a couple different ways. If you're doing the tornado drill, no, not the tornado drill, the tornado itself, which is the full directory. On the left-hand side, it appears over here, unless you didn't lock it into place, and then it goes into the middle. And the idea is you're going to go to our capítulo 1, chapter 1, right, which is Mexico. Open that up, scroll down, 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 and we've done alphabet, el alfabeto. We've done saludos, greetings, and now los números, the numbers, and the word I. I put that little note in your the top of your assignment for today. So the word I. You don't have to click on this. I'm just showing you that's where I got it. So I is pronounced E-Y-E in English. H-A-Y is the spelling in Spanish. I means there is or there are. I, un mes. There is 1 month. Con solamente 28 días. With only 28 days. Y es febrero. I, un mes. I. So scroll down here past the can-do checklist, past the presentaciones, underneath the actividades. And I would like for you to do today actividad 13 y 14. So here's 13 and 14 is underneath. So 13 is our next numbers activity. Números, los números, números. That sound like numbers? It really is. So here's what you're doing. You're writing the name of the number that comes after the number shown. So in the model, follow the model, right? It says 9. So the next one is 10. So write it out. So number 1 says 12. So you're going to write out what? 13. Okay? So you go down the list that way, save and submit. And when you're finished with that, go to Actividad 14. Now that told me that, hey, it's not going to be saved. But you want to go back and hit the cancel and actually save it and then go on. Actividad 14. Write the number shown as a numeral. So follow the model. So the model says underneath dos. So you're going to write the number 2. So it says cero. So what are we going to write? Type 0. Okay, that's it. Just those 2 activities. No más. No more. And los números. Remember, go back to, all the references. And go back to, if you need to, up here where it says los números de 0 a 30. And that reminds me again, hey, it's not going to be saved. Don't forget to hit save and submit, but I don't want to submit that. So you will want to submit that before you leave the page, right? Otherwise, your work will be lost and you have to do it again. Here they are if you need it. And this is a great review. Again, click on these and you'll hear them and it'll be good to do. Okay, hope you have a great day today and get everything done that you can. I'm loving it that we're being successful here on a Tuesday. Rock it out, knock it out, and we'll talk to you soon. Hasta luego.